Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, I was able to go out on a boat for the first time since I decided to rebuild the lower unit and repaint the engine. So in this episode, I will reinstall the prop shaft seals and work on a mystery filter as well. Alright, enjoy the video. So here I just went fishing with that tool to get the, being very gentle to not scratch the shaft, but see, I can remove the spring that goes on that seal, and then I'm gonna try to catch that seal and pry it out. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna use because it might be a little, it's okay. I might use the two sheetrock screw and put them gently, avoiding touching the shaft. So I did put one screw here. I went very gentle, I had to take the screw gun, and it's pretty tight in here. It's not budging. I'm gonna try to get another one, put it on the other side, and then I can start prying gently. Alright, now I have both screws in. I'm gonna try to pry a little bit. Maybe you're gonna see. Yeah, start moving out. See, it's moving out. Now I'm gonna pry the other side. Yeah, it's coming out. Let's go back here. That's it. It's out. So that was fairly easy like that. Right, let's try to do the second one. Same thing. No, here it did not. This side is coming. Yeah, I will get it out. That's it. It's coming out. Yeah. Good. Alright, then I'm gonna blow some air. Holy crap. Sorry, but everything flew in my face. It's freaking dirty. There is oil and stuff, so we're gonna clean that. Alright, here we go. Let's clean. Put oil everywhere here. Everywhere. It's not, but there's still some. Can't really see it, but it's inside the shaft. That's where I'm trying to clean. So here I got the Aviation gasket, which I'm gonna put a little bit on the outside here. I'm gonna drive it. I did get a piece of PVC pipe that goes right over and is the right diameter. Yeah, that should work perfectly. So I'm gonna do that, and then there is a second rod coming on top. They both go with the lip, the opening towards the outside. So just go like that. Here it is. It's I did put the gasket sealer, and then you just push it in like that, and that's it. And that looks good like that. That does look good. Alright, I do have some I can use, but there you go. It's pretty good right there. I also got the cap that was missing, so there we go. Oh, here I put the castle nut back. This is torque wrench, and this is set at 40 foot-pound. I'm gonna have to put a little piece of wood. There you go. And now "40 foot-pound. That's it. And now I'm gonna rest it. Okay. Now I'm gonna check if there is you see there is air coming out. There's a little bit of liquid, so yeah, there is liquid coming out. Okay, so I guess there is enough. I don't know how clean, didn't look that very, oh, actually there is a tiny bit here, so it's pretty clean. Today I'm going to remove that thing, access the injector and the high pressure fuel pump, and I'm going to replace the mystery filter, which are not a mystery anymore. I was able to remove that fuel rail first. As you can see, everything's coming out. It's easier that way. Then you can pull the injector one by one. Here's one. They are not easy to remove from the fuel rail. They are pretty stuck in with that gasket anyway. But when you remove the fuel rail, you have, like on this one, you have one bolt here, one bolt here, one here, and one here, and then you need to remove those. There's a fuel injector retainer. There is 3. Then when you get that, be careful with all the wiring. You need to remove, the connection from the injector. Remove the wires from the rail too, so you don't break anything. And I even untied this one because it was harder to pull from the top. So, but yeah, I'm gonna do a quick inspection, and we're gonna replace those filters. I replaced all injector mystery filter. I did not replace the one in the fuel pump because high pressure fuel pump, because they look pretty good. Oh, I see. I'm missing something here. Yeah, so what I was saying. Yeah, I did not replace the one in a high pressure fuel pump because the old filter look pretty good to me. They are not bad at all. I mean, color is a little, darker, but I don't see any whatever. Alright, so I'm almost done, and I'm gonna try to fire it up. I'm gonna put some of that Yamaha shield, which is a lubricant and protects from rust and corrosion. And I believe this engine had a lot of that thing or something similar. You can see that color coding is probably from something like that. It's not rust, so it's good. Yeah, there is no bubble. There is no bubble. Running pretty smooth.